CORTEC's product development is streamlined to efficiently expedite designs to life, from initial concept to a fully validated flow control solution. Operating in dynamic groups comprised of engineering, sales, and manufacturing personnel, our team works together to focus on quality and performance from the very beginning of the design. From the onset, our products and systems are engineered and designed for longevity in the most critical service applications, meeting or exceeding all industry standard requirements. We incorporate the most advanced 3D CAD and analysis software such as CFD and FEA to verify that designs meet the most stringent requirements of the industry. CORTEC's in-house validation testing capabilities equip our experienced team with the tools to perform extensive testing on model prototypes, which ensure that design processes and analytical verifications result in a proven, validated product. At CORTEC, nothing trumps safe, reliable product performance. That's why we validate test every design extensively before it becomes an approved production offering. By putting them head-to-head with extreme conditions well beyond what they're expected to face in day-to-day operation, we can ensure our valve models will thrive in the most critical service environments in the industry. With our comprehensive in-house testing capabilities, we're able to ensure that our products can stand up to the task at every level, meeting and exceeding industry standards and requirements. This is why CORTEC is an active participant on several API standard committees, working alongside our peers to advance the reliability and safety in the industry as a whole. Safety, quality, and performance are at the forefront of every product we manufacture and project we supply. CORTEC meets these industry standards and certifications, as well as any custom needs that your project may require. Gas and hydrostatic testing, environmental testing, torque testing, and automation testing. CORTEC, crafted for confidence.